Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you JBL Tune 520BT versus JBL Tune 720BT. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about design. The 520BT provide lightweight and foldable design, and 720BT also provide lightweight and foldable design, so both are equal. Now let's look at the driver size. 33 mm provided by 520 and 720 provide 40 mm, so 720 is better. Now let's look at the sound quality. 520 provide JBL Pure Bass with decent clarity, and 720 provide JBL Pure Bass with improved clarity. So 720BT is better. Now let's look at the Bluetooth version. Bluetooth 5.3 is provided by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. 520BT provide up to 57 hours with music playback, and 520BT provide up to 76 hours with music playback. So 720BT is better. Now let's look at the charging time. 520BT provide 2 hours charging time, and 720BT also provide 2 hours of charging time, so both are equal. Now let's look at the multi-point connectivity. Yes, this feature is also available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the voice assistant support. Yes, via app. This feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the portability. 520BT provide foldable and compact design, and 720BT also provide foldable and compact design, so both are equal. Now let's look at the comfort. 520BT provide memory foam ear cushions, and memory foam ear cushions also provided by 720, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of 520BT is generally more affordable. The estimate price is $50 to $70, and the price of 720BT is slightly higher. The estimate price is $70 to $100, so 520BT is better for budget-friendly users. And in the last, overall value. The overall value of 520BT is excellent budget choice with good features, and the overall value of 720BT is more premium features and battery life, so 720BT is better. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.